Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This video has really nothing to do about Corel Draw. I'm trying to help somebody with an idea on how to cut out a stencil on this, but they want it, like if they want to be able to paint the black part black with a stencil. Well, there's several things you could do, but to me, it would look like garbage. You need to get these pieces to stay together, these inner pieces. And, when you spray painted it, it's just not going to look, you're going to get this line because that'll hold that part in place. The only other thing, and I don't know how many, I did ask her, and they're trying to spray paint like some band equipment. And then you'd have to do the same thing across the middle. So then when you did cut it out, all this would stay together. You could do that. If you made it kind of symmetrical and maybe had, two lines going through there. So that would hold up and, stay together all in one piece. The other suggestion, and this is just suggestion, if I was just gonna mark one piece with spray paint, I would lay down some, if you have some sort of, like this is blue painter's tape, if you have some sort of mask material that's wide enough. So I don't know how big this logo is, but let's say you got two pieces of tape, wide tape. This showing almost 6 inches, but the whole thing was 2 and use 2-inch tape. Then you could, and I've shown a line here, you could laser this out, but not peel it off. Laser it out. I don't really know on what, some sort of, I don't know. I'm grasping at straws. Somebody else, somebody maybe will chime in here. And then when you put this on your item you want to spray paint, then you would just peel up this part right here, and it would leave everything. I don't know why that does that from time to time. It would leave that, that's what would be painted, if that makes any sense. Because you would leave these inner parts of the tape. You would just peel up this black part, leaving those intersections. Anyway, somebody's got a notion, maybe they could chime in and give us another thought. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.